Break It Down explores how a smart doorbell keeps your front porch connected, secure, and informative in real time. A camera streams video to your phone, while a tiny processor analyzes motion and faces to reduce false alerts. Two-way audio lets you talk to visitors, while encrypted signals protect your privacy against eavesdropping. Cloud services store event clips and send notifications, but local processing can keep data on your device. Finally, the system integrates with other smart devices to automate routines, from lights turning on to door unlocking.